welcome to Lexi's cooking class. Today we're going to be making Palaćinke and it's a Croatian recipe. So what you're going to need is, you're going to need flour, salt, a whisk. This was my favorite whisk. You're going to need two bowls. You're going to need one of these for later. One more bowl. You're going to need milk, dark milk. You're going to need one of these. You need the 1 cup. And you're going to need a smaller bowl with an egg. So first what we're going to do is we need to take this out of it. And you want to... And now you're going to get your flour. And you want to get as much scoops as you want. This bowl, and you always want the bowl with this so you can pour it into the other bowl. So I'm going to grab 1 scoop. I'm going to do 2 scoops. And now what we're going to do is, now we're going to crack the egg. That was a good one. Don't get any shell in it. Oh, that was a nice one. Let's see if there's any shells. There's no. So you're gonna whisk it up until it looks exactly like this. And then you're gonna put the egg first. And you're gonna put in the milk. You sometimes use the whole bottle if you need, but I'm gonna just use what's in the bottle. That much. Let's see if we're gonna need. Oh, we have it. So now you're gonna whisk it up. Get all of. It's gonna need more milk. Definitely more milk. Let's try this. So, my day has been really good so far. Lots of things have changed. I lost my first tooth and we got a new puppy. And one more thing. It's October and it has been a long time since I filmed a video. So I just decided to make one now because why not? So tell me how your day's been. In the comments below, it's right down there. You can just write it in the thing and I'll just see it. We're gonna have to use salt and just a little bit more. Okay, now we've got to put in the salt. So you wanna do not much salt like this. That's as much salt as you want to do. And now you gotta be really fast with this step. It's a little bit tricky. So get an adult to help if you want this part. But I'm just gonna do the rest. I gotta be strong for this part. Okay. Now we're gonna do. You want the spray? You want the spray oil, not the other oil. You need to pour that on there. Make sure an adult helps you with this part. Never do this part by yourself. And you want it to be like that flat as possible. And when you're done, you can put anything on it. That looks perfect now. You want it to fill the whole frying pan. So you'll know when it starts to get ready when there's no bubbly bits at the top and it's not sticking to the bottom.
And when there are bubble bits at the top.
And when there are bubble bits at the top anyway. Woo! That looks nice. Oh, that one's ready. That looks nice. Here's the finished product. It's called Palaćinke from Croatia. And you can put whatever you want on it. And I have made this before and it's so good. Nutella. I always put Nutella on stuff. Even on toast. You can do it however you want. I'm just gonna roll it up there. So this is the finished product. Let's try it. It's really good. It's so good. You can put whatever you want in it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Croatia recipe. It's pancakes, but it's bigger pancakes than what you're thinking, like a normal Australia pancakes. But we're gonna be making them today. And
It's all over the floor, isn't it?
oh yeah, now we're gonna crack the egg.
Crack the egg.
Oh, that was a nice one. Bubbles in it. There's no shells. I need to. Tell me how your day's been.
How are they going to tell you how their day's been?
No, don't do it on the fryer. You can actually do it.
I know, honey.
That was cool. You did it wrong. That's dangerous. Wow, that one's a fail. We can throw that one away.
Give me a schmickaroony.
Don't do a flip, don't do a flip, don't do a flip.
Why?
Because, you know why?
My flips are cool.
But it will look like this. This is a finished product. It's called... It's called Nutella. I always put Nutella on stuff. Even on toast.
Alexis, that's enough Nutella.
I'm setting one more bit.